I tried to find genuine replacement parts for this hose, and it's not, like they don't have it at Home Depot. They got some junky looking thing like that. So I went through here, and this is the official site here. Let's click on it, and it gives you this, but it really doesn't. You can't do anything with it. So I went back, and then I went to this one here, and this is a genuine replacement part. So then what I did was I went here, and I copied this like that, and I went Command C it, and then I went over here into Amazon, right, and I just put it in, right, like that. Oops, I just put it in there, clicked on it, and it gave me a whole bunch of them. So here's one right here. Let's click on it. So, I tried to find one that I could get before the 27th. And so I dug through it. Here's the adapter. I bought one of these too, just in case. And here's one here that looks like I could get it by the 19th. So I clicked on this one, and that pretty much looks like it right there. You follow me? So yeah, so this is the one I got. And so if you guys are looking for it, here's the link. I put this link in the detail page, and for that other part that I bought, let me show you. This part here, I put the details, the link for it too also, so you guys can find it. So anyway, yeah, what a pain in the butt. Don't go to Home Depot. They don't have it. You might find it at Lowe's, but yeah, you got to cross your fingers.